Tomorrow morning when you wake up and the sun does not appear. I knew it. All Filipinos like to sing karaoke. Yeah, I love to sing. Cause I will be here. Oh, I eat balut. Anthony, you're a Filipino. Where are you exactly in the Philippines? You know balut, right? It's a it's a delicious food in the Philippines. It's an egg and there's a what is that? There's a small chicken inside, right? And you're gonna put suka. You know suka? It's what is the name? It's oh, I'm gonna try here. No Philippine friends. Oh, okay. Did you eat balut? It's delicious, right? I told you.